Okay, today is March 7, 2021. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of an Orient watch that I recently purchased. So let's start. I also want to tell you that the watch was shipped through Amazon and it arrived to Colombia in less than 9 days. Okay, so this is my ticket. So let's put it away. And this is the box watch. Okay, so let's swing into action. Okay, let me remove some sticky tape. Just a moment. All right, well, the box, as you can see, is a combination of metal and synthetic leather. Okay, and over here you can watch how the watch looks. All right. um I know that this watch, it's a revival of a similar one that was sold back in the 70s. So this watch is popular in my country, and it's popular too in the history of watches. Okay, it's so it's so beautiful in my opinion. This watch comes in three combinations of colors in the dial. One is a kind of um, a kind of burgundy or reddish color. Another one is blue, and this is a gold color that shades into a dark color on both left and right side of the dial. Okay. mm, okay, the clasp system is it's a combination of old and modern. Old because of the shape of the clasp, and modern because of these two buttons to open the bracelet. Okay, if we compare this watch with other watches, the case back is not transparent. It's I mean, it's a traditional one, and it's so shiny. Okay, and something nice about the dial is that it looks brushed at the top, and the shape is also peculiar. Over here is round, but over here it is how can I say, it is not round. It has straight lines, and the two crowns. Okay, well, I think This is it. I'm pulling out the 3 o'clock crown, so it's working fine. And I suppose that this one is to move the rotating bezel in the inside. And now it's running. Okay, I think this is it. Thanks for watching my Orient Super King unboxing. See you next time.